welcome back my channel. My name is Mina. I hope you are doing great. I am sharing with you how I learn speak to English. Okay. I have wish I am speak to English. I have enjoy I am speaking to English, but I am not speaking to English. After years I am not speak to English, but I am decide I am speak to English. I'm understanding this the language. I'm reading this the book, but I am not speaking English. Okay, but I am watching this the video YouTube channel. I'm watching this the video. The Dehati madam. Dehati madam is the at home. She is a speak to English, and I am decide. I have speak to English, and I am learning this the English. I am learn this the grammar. I am not understanding this the grammar, but I am learn this the grammar. I am understanding this the grammar. Only I'm learn this the grammar tense. I'm learn this the grammar tense, and I am speaking practice. I am speaking practice, but I am speaking practice. I am stuck. I am problem. I am fumble, but I am talking to English. I am talking to English. I am not fluently speaker, but I am speak to English. I am little bit. I am speak to English. You have decide, and you have speak to English. You can do. You can do. And I could you have speak to English. You have uh, get this the job. You have cracked this the interview. Okay, but you have try one day, 2 day. You have not progress. You have not growth, but you have try. After 4 months, 3 months, you have grow, and you have satisfactions. You have satisfactions. I am speak to English. You have start this the camera, and you have practice. You have write this the sentence. You have speak to English. And the watching this the podcast, and the story. This story is the start, and you have paused this the video, and you have speak. You have daily try. You have daily try. It is my experience. It is my experience. I am facing this the problem. I am facing this the problem, but I am try. But I am try. You have need for the speak to English. Your daughter, your mother, your job. You have speak to English. Your importance. You have speak to English. Okay, you have speak to English. Your children's, you have learned this the English. Learn this the speaking English, but you are not try. You are not speaking to English. Okay, I am not first time I am not understanding this the grammar, but I am daily practice. I am daily learning this the grammar, and I am speaking practice. Okay, and you have learned this the English. You have learned this the speaking language. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My video is a like and subscribe. Bye bye.